The brain fever is a disease spread through which of the following? Brain fever is a disease spread through which of the following? That is mosquito. Encephalitis is an inflammation of brain. Encephalitis is an inflammation of the brain generally caused due to a viral infection, also commonly known as brain fever or chamki bukhar. It is characterized by flu-like symptoms such as headache, dizziness, and joint pain. Brain fever is a disease spread through the virus. It can often be difficult to diagnose due to the commonality of its signs and symptoms with other diseases like meningitis, etc. The incubation period of virus is longer, about 2 to 3 weeks. Ringworm is a disease caused by fungi. Ringworm is a disease caused by fungi. Ringworm is a skin disease caused by specific fungi such as Microsporum, Trichophyton, Epidermophyton, and Taenia species. The infection is called ringworm because it can cause an itchy red circular rash. Ringworm infection can affect both humans and animals. The infection initially appears as red patches on affected area of the skin and later may spread to other part of the body. It may affect the scalp, feet, nails, groin, beard or other areas. Name the drug that is yielded from cinchona tree and is used to cure malaria. Cinchona tree and used to cure malaria, that is quinine. Quinine is an alkaloid derived substance is yielded from cinchona tree and used to cure malaria. It contains antipyretic, anti-malaria, analgesic, anti-inflammatory qualities. Administration of quinine dramatically improves the condition of a person with malaria. The parasites promptly disappear from the blood and the symptoms of the disease are quickly alleviated. Which type of pathogen causes the waterborne disease? Waterborne disease, SARS, severe acute respiratory syndrome, SARS, that is viral. By which of the pathogen cause the waterborne disease, जिसे आप SARS कहते हैं, severe acute respiratory system, that is viral. Viral pathogen cause the waterborne disease, SARS, severe acute respiratory syndrome. Severe acute respiratory syndrome, SARS, is a viral respiratory disease caused by a SARS associated coronavirus. It was first identified at the end of February 2003 during an outbreak that emerged in China and spread to 4 other countries. Which of the following disease is not caused by water pollution? That is asthma. Cholera happened by water pollution. Typhoid happened by polluted water. Diarrhea happened by polluted water. But asthma is not happened by polluted water. Asthma disease is not caused by water pollution. Asthma is an inflammatory disease of the airways characterized by airway hyperresponsiveness and airflow limitation with resultant characteristics. Symptoms such as chest tightness, dyspnea, cough and sneeze caused by fungus Aspergillus fumigatus. Typhoid is known as enteric fever. Typhoid is a bacterial infection caused by the bacteria Salmonella typhi. The infection is often passed on through contaminated food and drinking water. Cholera is caused by eating food or drinking water contaminated with a bacterium called Vibrio cholera. Cholera causes severe diarrhea and dehydration. Which type of pathogen causes the waterborne disease salmonellosis, that is bacterial? Which type of pathogen causes the waterborne disease salmonellosis, that is bacterial? Bacterial type of pathogen cause the waterborne disease Salmonellosis. Salmonellosis is food poisoning disease that is caused by Salmonella typhi. The most common symptoms are diarrhea, fever, abdominal cramps, and vomiting symptoms typically occur between 12 hours and 36 after exposure and last from 2 to 7 days. Which virus causes chickenpox? Which virus causes chickenpox? That is herpes zoster virus. Herpes zoster virus causes chickenpox. Zoster virus causes chickenpox. It is characterized by fever, malaise, headaches. Malaise means the vomiting. G headaches and back pain. These initial symptoms are followed by a rash and small raised bumps or lesions, pox, within 2 or 3 days. Varicella zoster is the part of a group of viruses called herpes viruses, which includes the virus that called SARS and genital herpes. Which disease is caused due to deficiency of iodine? That is goitre. Goitre disease is caused due to deficiency of iodine. Thyroid gland is in the front of neck and is divided into two lobes, right and left, one on either side of windpipe. Trachea type thyroid produces two main hormones, triiodothyronine means T3 and thyroxine means T4. They maintain mobility by increasing metabolic rate of human body. Thyroid hormones regulate many of bodily functions such as breathing, heart rate, body temperature, digestion and calories burn. Deficiency of in diet caused goitre, that is iodine. Deficiency of iodine in diet caused goiter. In goitre there is swelling of thyroid gland. Which type of pathogen causes the waterborne disease? E. coli infection. E means coli infection, that is bacterial. Bacterial pathogen causes the waterborne disease E. coli infection. Waterborne bacterial disease is an illness due to infection with bacteria contaminating the water supply. Escherichia coli infects water. It resides in intestine as symbiont. It receives nutrition from human and in return gives vitamins and destroys harmful bacteria. The Bacilli guerin vaccine, popularly called BCG vaccine, is a vaccine to prevent which of these diseases? That is tuberculosis. The Bacillus calmette-guerin BCG vaccine, popularly called BCG vaccine, is a vaccine to prevent tuberculosis disease. It is contagious disease caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It commonly affects lungs. BCG vaccine can be administered after birth intradermally to infant or newborns. BCG vaccine is given to protect from which of the following? That is tuberculosis. Bariatric surgery of a person brings change in digestive systems. Bariatric surgery of a person brings changes in digestive system, as the stomach will be smaller and there will be an increase in baseline satiety. To help, the patient will feel full with less food. In the short term, weight loss from bariatric surgery associated with reduction in some comorbidities of obesity such as diabetes, metabolic syndrome and sleep apnea, but the benefit for hypertension is uncertain. Which of the following is a contagious disease? That is tuberculosis. Bacillus calmette-guerin BCG is a vaccine for tuberculosis. It is a contagious disease caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Which of the following is the symptoms of hemophilia? That is no clotting of blood. Hemophilia means no clotting of blood. Hemophilia is an inherited bleeding disorder in which a person lacks or has low levels of thromboplastin. Hemophilia is an inherited bleeding disorder in which a person lacks or has low levels of thromboplastin proteins called clotting factors, and the blood does not clot properly. As a result, it leads to continuous bleeding and cause death of the person suffering from this. When gets injured, it is genetic disorder that is spread by females and often affected males. Polio is a disease by which of the following? Polio is a disease happened by the virus. Poliomyelitis is an infectious disease caused by the polio virus. It is transmitted through contact with an infected person, primarily through the fecal oral route. The virus enters the body through the mouth or respiratory system and multiplies in the throat and intestine. Polio is transmitted through contaminated water or fluid or contact with an infected person. Poor hygiene or contaminated condition leading to contamination of food or water supplies with the virus. Help with the virus have also been linked to polio outbreaks. The polio virus is of three types: type A, type 2, and type 3. In scientific terms, it is known as filterable neutrotropic. Which type of pathogen causes the waterborne disease poliomyelitis? Polio, that is viral. Which drug is used to cure incontinence? Which drug is used to cure incontinence? That is oxybutynin. Oxybutynin drug is used to cure incontinence. Urinary incontinence is the involuntary leakage of urine. It means a person urinates when they do not want to. Control over the urinary sphincter is either lost or weakened. That is oxybutynin. Which of the following is a viral disease? That is polio is a viral disease. Polio is a viral disease that affects children mostly. Hay fever is a sign of which of the following? Hay fever is a sign of allergy. Hay fever is a sign of allergic rhinitis, also known as hay fever, is a type of inflammation in the nose which occurs when the immune system overreacts to allergens in the air. Signs and symptoms include a runny or stuffy nose, sneezing, red itchy and watery eyes, and swallowing around the eyes. Which type of pathogen causes the waterborne disease cholera? That is bacterial. Bacterial pathogen causes the waterborne disease cholera. Cholera is caused by eating food or drinking water contaminated with a bacterium called Vibrio cholera. Cholera causes severe diarrhea and dehydration. Signs and symptoms of cholera dehydration include irritability, fatigue, sunken eyes, a dry mouth, extreme thirst, dry and shriveled skin that's slow to bounce back when pinched into a fold, little or no urinating, low blood pressure, and an irregular heartbeat. Dehydration can lead to a rapid loss of minerals in body that maintain the balance of fluids in body. This is called an electrolyte imbalance. Which disease among the following is spread when affected person excreta gets mixed with drinking water? That is cholera. Cholera is a bacterial disease which is spread by house fly when they move from one place to another and contaminated the food. Cholera is caused by the bacteria named Vibrio cholera, which is found in contaminated food, and water cholera spread when affected person excreta get mixed with drinking water. Cholera causes dehydration, slow blood circulation, vomiting, etc. Insects that transmit disease are known as, that is, vectors. In medical term, insects that transmit disease are known as vectors. Vectors are living organisms that can transmit infection pathogen between humans or from animal to humans. Vector 1 disease are human illness caused by parasites, viruses and bacteria that are transmitted by vectors. Many of vector 1 disease are preventable through protective measures and community mobilization. Vector 1 disease are malaria, dengue, schistosomiasis, schistosomiasis, human African trypanosomiasis, leishmaniasis, Chagas disease, yellow fever, Japanese encephalitis, and onchocerciasis. Which type of pathogen causes the waterborne disease? Schistosomosis, schistomosis, schistomosis, that is parasite. Schistomosis, parasite pathogen causes the waterborne disease schistosomiasis. It affects urethra and intestine. Schistosomiasis is a water-based disease which is considered the second most important parasitic infection after malaria in terms of public health and in economic impact. Schistosomiasis infection in human is caused by three main species of flatworm, namely Schistosoma, Hematobium, S. japonicum, S. manosoni. Praziquantel is most effective medicine for schistosomiasis. Workers in leather tanning industries tend to suffer from skin disease. Workers in leather tanning industries tend to suffer from skin disease. Work in leather tanning involves exposure to a wide range of chemicals. Some of these are carcinogens or suspected carcinogens, such as hexavalent, chromium salts, vegetable tannins, chlorophenols, aniline dyes, formaldehyde, methyl mercury, arsenic, benzene, and chlorinated organic solvents. Deficiency of fluorine causes which of the following? That is dental caries. Deficiency of fluorine causes dental caries or cavities. Which of the following is a fungal disease? That is dermatitis. Dermatitis is a fungal disease. Dermatitis is a fungal disease commonly known as eczema. Eczema is a term used to describe a wide variety of conditions that cause red, itchy, and inflamed skin. The most common type of eczema is known as atopic dermatitis. Eczema infections are caused by a variety of potential viruses, bacteria, or fungi. Common symptoms of eczema include burning, extreme itching, fluid drainage, blistering, and white or yellow pus. Cholera is caused by Vibrio cholera. What is myopia? Inability to see distant object clearly. What is myopia? Inability to see distant object clearly is called myopia. Myopia is inability to see distant object clearly. Nearsightedness. Myopia is a common vision condition in which one can see object near to him clearly, but objects farther away are blurry. It occurs when the shape of eye causes light rays to bend, refract incorrectly, focusing image in front of retina instead of retina. Capacity of lens get increased, causes capacity of lens get increased, focal length get decreased, shape of lens get increased. Prevention. Short sightedness is corrected using a concave lens, curved inward lens which is placed in front of myopic eye, moving the image back to the retina and making it clearer. Myopia is a defect of eyes which is also known as nearsightedness. Myopia affects which of following organ, that is eyes. What type of lens is used to correct vision of person suffering from myopia? That is concave lens. Concave lens is used to correct vision of person suffering from myopia. Diabetes is caused by low production of insulin. Diabetes is caused by low production of insulin. Insulin hormone is secreted through beta cells of isolates of Langerhans. It is significant for carbohydrate metabolism. It increases conversion rate of glycogen from glucose in muscles and liver rapidly. Hypersecretion of insulin causes hypoglycemia disease. It is also a part of diabetes. Which of the following is induced by oncogene? Which of the following is induced by oncogene? That is cancer. Cancer is induced by oncogene. Cancer is induced by oncogene in the mid 1970s. The American microbiologist John Michael Bishop and Harold Burmas identified oncogenes and showed that oncogenes are actually derived from normal gene proto-oncogenes present in the body cells of their host. Pneumonia affects which part of the following organ of human body? That is lungs. Lungs affected when someone suffer from pneumonia, his lungs is affected by that. Pneumonia affect lungs of human body. Pneumonia is an inflammatory condition of the lungs that may be caused by bacteria, viruses or fungi. The infection causes the lungs air sacs alveoli to become inflamed and fill up with fluid or pus that can make it hard for the oxygen breathe in to get into bloodstream. Common symptoms include cough, respiratory or green phlegm or sputum, coughed up from lungs, fever, fast breathing and shortness of breath, shaking, chills, chest pain, fast heartbeat, fatigue and weakness, nausea and vomiting, diarrhea, sweating, headache and muscles pain. Some vaccines are available for treatment of pneumonia. Mesothelioma is a type of cancer. The most common area affected in it is the lining of the lungs. Mesothelioma is a type of cancer. The most common area affected in it is the lining of the lungs and chest wall. Symptoms of mesothelioma include shortness of breath due to fluid around the lung, a swollen abdomen, chest wall pain, cough, feeling tired, and weight loss. More than 80% of mesothelioma cases are caused by exposure to asbestos. Undesirable pathogenic microorganism and its disposal into a water without proper treatment. may cause outbreak of all of the following serious disease except asthma. Undesirable pathogenic microorganism and its disposal into water without proper treatment may cause outbreak of all of the following serious disease except asthma. Dysentery, dysentery, jaundice, and cholera are waterborne infection. Asthma is a contagious disease caused by mold Aspergillus fumigatus. Asthma is a condition in which airways narrow and swell and may produce extra mucus. This can make breathing difficult and trigger coughing, a whistling sound, wheezing, when breathe out, and shortness of breath. The name of which disease among the following means evil influence of the stars, that is influenza. Influenza means evil influence of the stars. It is commonly known as the flu and caused by influenza. Virus influenza. Viruses are RNA. Viruses belonging to paramyxovirus family. It is caused by three types of RNA viruses called influenza, types A, B, and C. Which of the following disease has been eradicated worldwide? That is smallpox. Smallpox was an infectious disease caused by one of two virus variants, variola major and variola minor. The agent of variola virus belongs to orthopox virus. The initial symptoms of the disease include fever and vomiting. This was followed by formation of the ulcers in mouth and a skin rash. There is no vaccine for which of the following hepatitis virus? There is no vaccine for which of the following hepatitis virus? That is hepatitis C. We did not have vaccine for hepatitis C. That's why you would save yourself from hepatitis. There is no vaccine for hepatitis C virus. Hepatitis C is a contagious disease. Hepatitis is most commonly caused by hepatitis C virus HCV and affected liver. Hepatitis C belongs human particularly. This disease cannot obtained by animals and cannot affected animals. Night blindness is caused by the deficiency of vitamin. Night blindness is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A. Night blindness is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A. Its chemical name is retinol. The deficiency of vitamin A in human body may lead to xerophthalmia and threats of infection. The major dietary source of vitamin A are dairy product, eggs, liver cord oil, and leafy vegetable, etc. Leukemia is cancer. Leukemia is blood cancer. Leukemia is a kind of blood cancer in which the formation of WBC in bone marrow increases rapidly. These are called leukemia cells. Few symptoms of this disease is sweating, loss of appetite, weakness, red spots on body, etc. When a host is exposed to an antigen, which can be in the form living or dead microbes or other protein, antibodies are produced in the body of the host. This type of immunity is known as immunization, that is active immunization. When a host is exposed to an antigen which can be in the form living or dead microbes or other proteins, antibodies are produced in the body of the host. This type of immunity is known as active immunization. When the body is exposed to a type of WBC, create antibodies that assist in destroying or neutralizing the disease agent. This is called active immunity. What are organisms like bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa, worms, etc. that cause diseases in human? That is germ. Germs are organism like bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa, worms, etc. that cause disease in humans. Pathogens are disease causing microorganisms that present in air, soil, water, human body, etc. It was first discovered by French scientist Louis Pasteur, who is considered as the father of modern immunology. These pathogens are bacteria, virus, fungi, protozoa, etc. Those tumors which are usually confined at their place of origin and do not spread to other parts of the body and cause little damage are called benign tumors. Those tumors which are usually confined at their place of origin and do not spread to other part of the body and cause little damage are called benign tumors. Benign matlab means the not harmful, good. Benign tumors. Cancer is a group of disease involving abnormal cell growth with potential to invade or spread to other part of the body. It is two type. Malignant tumor means the cancerous tumors, the harmful tumor. These tumors grow rapidly and invade and destroy nearby cell, tissue and spread throughout the body. Benign tumor tend to grow slowly and do not spread all over the body. It is not dangerous for the body. Which of the following viruses is responsible for causing influenza? That is Myxovirus. Influenza is a viral disease affected human beings. It is a respiratory disease which affects lungs. Myxovirus is responsible for causing influenza. Anemia is related to iron deficiency. Anemia is related to iron deficiency. The deficiency of blood in the body is known as anemia. The color of blood and its quantity is measured on the basis of number of hemoglobin in the body. Per 100 ml of blood, there is 12 to 16% hemoglobin in males and 11 to 14% hemoglobin in females are found. Iodine, India, around 80% women suffer from anemia during pregnancy. What type of disease are typhoid and tuberculosis and TB? That is bacterial. Typhoid and TB are the bacterial disease. Typhoid fever and paratyphoid fever are life-threatening illness caused by Salmonella serotype typhi and Salmonella serotype paratyphi, respectively. Tuberculosis is an infectious disease caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Both are caused by bacteria. Which type of pathogen causes the waterborne disease typhoid fever? That is bacterial. Which organism causes leishmaniasis? Leishmaniasis. Which organism causes leishmaniasis? That is leishmania. Leishmaniasis is a wide array of clinical manifestation caused by parasites of the trypanosoma. Genes leishmania, it is generally spread through the bite of phlebotomine sandflies. Phlebotomus and Leishmania and occurs most frequently in the tropics and subtropics of Africa, Asia, the Americas and Southern Europe. Which of the following is not transitive disease? That is diabetes. Diabetes is not an transitive disease. Diabetes mellitus is a group of metabolic disorder characterized by a high blood sugar levels over a prolonged period of time. Symptoms often include frequent urination, increased thirst and increased appetite. Rotavirus vaccine is used to prevent which disease? Rotavirus vaccine is used to prevent which disease? That is diarrhea. Rotavirus vaccine is a vaccine used to protect against rotavirus infections. Which are the leading cause of severe diarrhea among young children? The vaccine prevent 15 to 34% of severe diarrhea in the developing world and 37 to 96% of diarrhea in the developed world. Which of the following diseases caused by virus? Tetanus, rubella, leprosy, malaria. That should be rubella. Rubella happened by virus. Rubella virus also known as German measles. Hence, rubella is caused by virus. Tetanus, tetanus caused by bacteria. Which bacteria? Clostridium tetani. Leprosy happened by bacteria. Which bacteria? Mycobacterium leprae. Malaria happened by protozoa. Which protozoa? Plasmodium species. Anthrax is caused by bacteria. A rare but serious bacterial illness, anthrax is caused by a spore-forming bacterium. It mainly affects animals. Humans can become infected through contact with an infected animal or by inhaling spores. Which of the following is communicable disease? That is measles. Measles are communicable disease. Measles is a communicable disease. Measles is a highly contagious virus that lives in the nose and throat muscles of an infected person. The symptoms of measles generally appear about 7 to 14 days after a person is infected. Measles typically begins with high fever, runny nose, and red water eyes. Depression is a disorder. Depression is a mood disorder. Depression is a mental mood condition in which the person feels alone, upset, stressed. It affects person thinking capacity, behavior change, memorizing capacity, etc. Which of the following element found in water is responsible for cancer? That is arsenic. Arsenic combined with element other than carbon are found in industry, in building products such as some pressure treated woods and in arsenic contaminated water. This tend to be the more toxic form of arsenic and has been linked to cancer. Which of the following disease is caused by severe deficiency of protein? That is kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor is happened by severe deficiency of protein. Severe protein deficiency is called kwashiorkor. It is most commonly seen in children whose diets are low in protein and calories. Which of the following disease is not transmitted from one person to another? That is cirrhosis. AIDS is transmitting one person to another. Syphilis is transmitted to one person to another. Hepatitis B is also transmittable disease, but cirrhosis is not a transmitting disease. Cirrhosis is a liver-related disease that not transmitted from one person to another. It is caused by overconsumption of alcohol and it is not contagious disease. AIDS, hepatitis B, and syphilis are transmitted from one person to another. They are contagious. Which of the following is caused by a virus named varicella zoster? Varicella zoster. The chickenpox happened by the virus called varicella zoster. Chickenpox is a contagious disease caused by a virus named varicella zoster. The chickenpox happened by the virus varicella zoster. Which of the following can be diagnosed with the Bidal test? That is typhoid fever. Typhoid fever can be diagnosed with the Bidal test. Typhoid fever can be diagnosed with the Bidal test. The main cause of typhoid fever is Bacterium Salmonella typhi. This bacterium reaches in human intestine through contamination of food and water and infects human intestine. ELISA test is done for diagnosis of AIDS. Hemophobia is the fear of blood. Hemophobia is the fear of blood. It falls under the category of specific phobia of the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorder DSM-5. With hemophobia, Symptoms may be triggered by seeing blood in real life or on television. Physical symptoms triggered by this phobia may include trouble breathing, rapid heart rate, tiredness or pain in chest, shaking or trembling, lightedness, feeling nauseated around blood or injury, hot or cold flashes, sweating. Lack of causes hypokalemia. Lack of potassium causes hypokalemia. Lack of potassium causes hypokalemia. Potassium is found naturally in many foods and as a supplement. Its main role in the body is to help maintain normal levels of fluid inside our cells. Its main dietary sources are meat, milk, cereals, fresh fruits and vegetables. Hypokalemia is caused by deficiency of potassium. When is World AIDS Day celebrated? That is celebrated on 1st December. Every year, every year on a 1st December, the world commemorates World AIDS Day after the year 1988. The lens type commonly used for correcting resbyopia is bifocal lens. The lens type commonly used for correcting presbyopia is bifocal lens. Presbyopia is an eye condition in which eye slowly loses the ability to focus quickly on objects that are close. It's a disorder that affects everyone during the natural aging process. Myopia, concave lens. Hypermetropia, convex lens. Astigmatism, cylindrical lens. Myopia corrected by using concave lens. Hypermetropia corrected by using convex lens. Astigmatism corrected by cylindrical lenses. Which part of the human body gets affected by the illness called osteoporosis? These are bones. Bones of human body gets affected by the illness called osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a condition in which bones become weak and brittle. Bone mineral density gets decreased gradually. 20th October is celebrated as World Osteoporosis Day every year. Hepatitis is caused by virus. Hepatitis is caused by virus. In fact, viral hepatitis is most commonly caused by hepatitis A virus HAB, hepatitis B virus HBB, and hepatitis C virus HCV. These three viruses can all result in acute disease with symptoms of nausea, abdominal pain, fatigue, malaise, and jaundice. Hepatitis refers to an inflammatory condition of the liver. It is detected by assistance of diagnostic test. 28th July is celebrated as World Hepatitis Day. Rajat has hypermetropia. What type of lens will the ophthalmologist recommend to correct his vision? That is convex lens. The ophthalmologist recommended to hypermetropia patients convex lens to correct their vision. Hypermetropia, long-sightedness, is a common eye condition where nearby objects appear blurred, but vision is clear when looking at things further away. Kala Azar is disease caused by which organism? Kala Azar is disease caused by which organism? Kala Azar disease is happened by which organism? That is Leishmania. Leishmania. Kala Azar leishmaniasis is a contagious disease caused by protozoa parasite Leishmania donovani. Leishmania parasites are transmitted through the bites of infected female phlebotomine sandflies, which feed on blood to produce eggs. The life cycle of parasitic protozoa depend on human and sandfly. Which of the following is not a waterborne disease? That is measles. Measles are not waterborne disease. and hepatitis A is a bottom-burner disease, cholera is a bottom-burner disease, typhoid is a bottom-burner disease. But measles is not bottom-burner disease, it is happened by some other cause. Measles is not a bottom-burner disease. Bottom-burner disease are diarrhea, constipation, jaundice, malaria, liver infection, vomiting, motion, etc. Which of the following is not a contagious disease? Which of the following is not a contagious disease? Tuberculosis is a contagious disease. Cholera is a contagious disease. Chickenpox is a contagious disease. But diabetes is not a contagious disease. Diabetes is not a contagious disease. Diabetes is a metabolic disorder in which inadequate production of the hormone insulin or resistant to its action in the body lead to high blood sugar levels. Complications of diabetes arises from long-term exposure to high blood sugar. Tuberculosis, chickenpox, and cholera are contagious disease. Which of the following is a vector carrier disease? That is malaria. Vector-borne disease are illness that are transmitted by vectors, which include mosquitoes, ticks, and fleas. These vectors can carry infective pathogens such as viruses, bacteria, and protozoa, which can be transferred from one host carrier to another. Some vector-borne diseases are chikungunya, plague, dengue fever, tularemia, rabbit fever, Lyme disease, Zika virus disease, malaria, West Nile disease. Treatments. Which drug is used as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug? That is ibuprofen. Ibuprofen is used as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs during pain, fever, and inflammation, while risdronate drug is used for osteoporosis patients. Diazepam is given as effective drug for anxiety, epilepsy, insomnia, muscles spasm, etc. Is an anesthetic agent. Diethylether is an anesthetic agent. Diethylether is an anesthetic agent. It is colorless, highly volatile liquid with boiling point 34.5 degrees Celsius. It is highly inflammable and therefore incompatible with modern surgical and anesthetic technique. It has an unpleasant smell and irritates mucous membranes. This can cause coughing, straining, laryngeal spasm, and hypersalivation. The lethal dose required to kill 50% of the live animal tested under standard is referred as LD50. The lethal dose required to kill 50% of the live animal tested under standard is referred to as LD50. Which drug is used to cure hypertension? That is hyperdralazine. Hydralazine. Hypertension is cured by hydralazine. Hydralazine drug is used to cure hypertension and cardiac related disease. Lowering high blood pressure helps prevent strokes, heart attacks, and kidney problems. Hydralazine is called a vasodilator. It works by relaxing blood vessels so blood can flow through the body more easily. Risdronate, it is used to treat osteoporosis caused by menopause or steroid use. Diazepam, it is used to treat anxiety, alcohol withdrawal, and seizures. It is also used to relieve muscles spasm and to provide sedation before medical procedures. Folic acid, it is known as vitamin B9, folate, pteroglutamic acid. It is one of the 8 water-soluble vitamins. Folic acid is pivotal for making red blood cells, helping in rapid cell division and growth, synthesis of RNA and DNA, and enhancing brain activities. It holds high significance in maintaining the growth and replication of cells and tissue during the growth years, such as during pregnancy, infancy, childhood, and adolescence. The capsule of anthocyrus differs from funaria in that in the later, that is, columella is present. The capsule of anthocyrus differs from funaria in that in the later because columella is present in it. Anthocyrus is the plant of family Anthocerotaceae. Name the source from which aspirin is produced. That should be oak tree. William Bark. Name the source from which aspirin is produced. That is willow bark. Willow bark is the source of aspirin. Willow bark is used for production of aspirin medicine. Aspirin, also known as acetylsalicylic acid, acetylsalicylic acid, is a medication used to reduce pain, fever, or inflammation as painkiller, antipyretic, and anti-inflammatory drug. Aspirin is also used long term to help prevent further heart attacks, ischemic strokes, and blood clots in people at high risk. Which drug is used to cure glaucoma? That is latanoprost. Latanoprost is used to cure glaucoma. Latanoprost drug is used to cure glaucoma. Latanoprost is used to treat high pressure inside the eye due to glaucoma, open angle type, or other eye disease, ocular hypertension. Fexofenadine is an antihistamine pharmaceutical used to relieve allergy symptoms such as watery eyes, runny nose, itching eyes, nose, sneezing, hives, and itching. It works by blocking a certain natural substance, histamine, that blood make during an allergic reaction. Ketoconazole, it is an antifungal medicine used to treat infection such as athlete's foot, jock itch, ringworm, and seborrhea, dry flanking skin or dandruff. Ibuprofen belong to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs category that is used in pain, fever, and swelling inflammation. Which drug is used to cure osteoporosis? That is risdronate. Risdronate drug is used to cure osteoporosis. The word osteoporosis means porous bones. It is a disease that weakens bones, making them more susceptible to sudden and unexpected fractures. Osteoporosis is such disease of bone skeleton system in which bones become weakened due to low bone density and bone marrow structure loss. That's why probability of fractures may increase. Complete skeleton, especially spinal cord, get affected, and condition of kyphosis expressed. The deficiency of which mineral may cause osteoporosis? That is calcium. A lifelong lack of calcium plays a role in the development of osteoporosis. Low calcium intake contributes to diminished bone density, early bone loss, and an increased risk of fractures. Which drug is used for pain relief? Which drug is used for pain relief? That is, which drug is used for pain relief? That is tramadol. Tramadol is used for pain relief. Tramadol drug is used for pain relief. Tramadol is a narcotic and analgesic pain relieving oral medicine that is used as treatment for moderate to severe pain. Fever is adults by regulating sensitive parts of nervous system and brain. Tramadol belong to class opioid narcotic analgesic. It blocks the effect of serotonin and norepinephrine. It acts on pain receptors in the central nervous system and the brain to block pain signal to the rest of the body. It also works in brain to stop feeling pain messages. In other options, risdronate is used to treat osteoporosis. Bupropion is used to prevent smoking. Bupropion is a class of medication called antidepressants. It works by increasing certain types of activity in brain. Which drug is used to cure allergies? That is fexofenadine. Fexofenadine is used to cure allergies. Fexofenadine is an antihistamine pharmaceutical used to relieve allergy symptoms such as watery eyes, runny nose, itching eyes, nose, sneezing, hives, and itching. It works by blocking a certain natural substance, histamine, that body makes during an allergic reaction. Which compound is used in anti-malaria drug? That is chloroquine. Chloroquine. Chloroquine is used in antibacterial drug as an anti-malarial. It works against the asexual form of the malaria parasite in the stage of its life cycle within the red blood cell. Chloroquine was discovered by 1934 by Hans Anderseg. It included in the World Health Organization list of essential medicines that is most effective and safe drug in health system. Which drug is used as an anti-diabetic drug? That is metformin. Metformin drug is used as an anti-diabetic drug. Diabetes is a metabolic disorder in which inadequate production of the hormone insulin or a resistance to its action is the body lead to high blood sugar levels. Complication of diabetes arise from long-term exposure to high blood sugar. This is why the patient does not attain proper energy so that patient become weak. International Diabetes Commission classified this disease in following classes. Type 1 diabetes, patient have to vaccinate insulin vaccine. Type 2 diabetes or non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. Generally, metformin is used for diabetes mellitus. Which drug is used to cure migraine? Which drug is used to cure migraine? That is sumatriptan. Sumatriptan is used to treat migraines. It helps to relieve headache, pain, and other migraine symptoms, including nausea, vomiting, sensitivity to light sound. Prompt treatments help patients return to their normal routine and may decrease their need for other pain medication. Sumatriptan belongs to a class of drugs known as triptans. It affects a certain natural substance, serotonin, that causes narrowing of blood vessels in the brain. It may also relieve pain by affecting certain nerves in the brain. Snake venom is highly modified saliva containing zootoxins. Snake venom is highly modified saliva containing zootoxin that facilitate the immobilization and digestion of prey and defense against threats. It is injected by unique fangs during a bite, and some species are also able to spit their venom Snake belong to class Reptilia. Reptile means Reptilia. Snakes live both places on land and in water. Almost all snakes are covered in scales and as are reptiles. They are called blooded animals. Blooded animals ectotherms. King cobra is the only snake that built nest and other snakes are included in its diet. Which drug is used as an antidepressant? That is bupropion. Bupropion is used for antidepressant. Bupropion drug is used as an antidepressant. It is provided by Mankind and Wellbutrin companies in the market. This drug is used as antidepressant in India as well as USA and Canada. Epileptic seizures are the most important adverse effect of bupropion. Which drug is used as blood thinner? Which drug is used as blood thinner? That is warfarin. Warfarin drug brand name Coumadin is used as blood thinner. Warfarin is used to treat blood clots and or to prevent new clots from forming in the body. Preventing harmful blood clots help to reduce the risk of a stroke or heart attack. Generally, it is taken orally but also injected in veins through vaccine. Is a strong drug that doctors give to people to make them calm or help them sleep. That is barbiturate. Barbiturate is a strong drug that doctor give to people to make them calm or help them sleep. Barbiturate is a strong kind of depressant or sedative drug that doctor give to people to make them calm or help them sleep. These drugs are dominant on central nervous system CNS, reveals mental stress and tiredness. Doctors are used some barbiturates as anesthetic drug and in treatment of mental illness. Which drug is used as an antibiotic? Which drug is used as an antibiotic? That is azithromycin. Azithromycin drug is used as an antibiotic, widely used to treat bacterial infection, chest infection, nose and throat infections, skin infection and some sexually transmitted infection. Metformin is the drug used to treat diabetes. Is a drug that makes your heart work more slowly, used for treating high blood pressure. That is beta blocker. Beta blocker is a drug that makes heart work more slowly, used for treating high blood pressure. A contraceptive is a device or drug that prevents a woman from becoming pregnant. Depressants are drugs that inhibit the function of the central nervous systems and are among the most widely used drugs in the world. These drugs operate by affecting neurons in the CNS, which lead to symptoms such as drowsiness, relaxation, decreased inhibition, anesthesia, sleep coma, and even death. Anemia is widely used for colon cleansing or medical testing. It is a liquid treatment most commonly used to relieve severe constipation. Analgesic relief pain. All the drugs and administration that relieve pain known as analgesics. Alg means the pain. Alg mean the pain. And if you prefix by n means the negative. Analg means you not have pain. Analgesics. The term analgesics encompasses a class of drugs that are designed to relieve pain without causing the loss of consciousness. For example, morphine and cocaine. The different classes of analgesic drugs include Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs are commonly used to reduce pain and inflammation. Narcotics are pain medication work by dissociating the patient from the pain. All narcotics carry the risk of addiction and if taken for a long time may result in withdrawal symptoms such as sweating and anxiety when discontinued. Tylenol acetaminophen is a centrally acting non-narcotic pain reliever that does not have an anti-inflammatory effect. It does not cross-react with NSAIDs and therefore the two classes of medication can be taken together. Which drug is used as an antihistamine? That is promethazine. Promethazine is a group of drugs called phenothiazines. It works by changing the action of chemicals in brain. Promethazine also acts as an antihistamine. Promethazine is used to treat allergy symptoms such as itching, runny nose, sneezing, itchy or watery eyes, hives and itchy skin rashes. It also prevents motion sickness and treats nausea and vomiting or pain after surgery. It is also used as sedative or sleep aid. Fexofenadine is an antihistamine pharmaceutical used to relieve allergy symptoms such as watery eyes, runny nose, itching eyes, nose sneezing, hives and itching. It works by blocking a certain natural substance, histamine, that body makes during an allergic reaction. Ranitidine is used to treat ulcers of the stomach and intestine and prevent them from coming back after they have healed. This medication is also used to treat certain stomach and throat esophagus problems. Ibuprofen belongs to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs category that is used in pain, fever and swallowing inflammation. Which drug is used as an anti-anxiety drug? That is diazepam. Diazepam drug is used as an anti-anxiety drug. Diazepam belongs to a class of drug known as benzodiazepines. Diazepam intensifies the activities of neurotransmitters in brain. This medication works by calming the brain and nerves. It is used to treat anxiety, alcohol withdrawal and seizures. It is also used to relieve muscle spasm and to provide sedation before medical procedures. Which drug is used in an anti-inflammatory? That is Radonizone. Radonizone is a corticosteroid that used as an anti-inflammatory drug. Basically, radonizone is an oral synthetic man-made corticosteroid used for suppressing the immune system and inflammation. Radonizone lead to treat arthritis, colitis, asthma, bronchitis, skin problems and allergies. Who invented aspirin? Felix Hoffman invented aspirin. Felix Hoffman invented aspirin. Aspirin, also known as acetylic acid, ASA, acetylic acid, is a medication used to reduce pain, fever or inflammation as painkiller, antipyretic and anti-inflammatory drug. Aspirin is also used for long term to help prevent further heart attacks, ischemic strokes and blood clots in people at high risk. Plant kingdom bacteria. Azotobacter is nitrogen fixing bacteria. Azotobacter is a nitrogen fixing bacteria which is found freely in soil. It converts atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia.